Sitting in a car park under Trafalgar Square, I am longing for your touch. I'm just wanting you to be here. 200 miles away feels like a million miles today. Ooh. Sitting in a car park under Trafalgar Square, I only paid £24 for the privilege of being here. Sometimes you only play a song before getting moved along. Oh, 1,000,000 miles is far too far away. One million miles is far too far today. And I know you're probably sleeping. I can see you lying there. And in my mind I touch your face, run my fingers through your hair, and I see a little smile as you sleep without a care. So I'm singing in this car park just to fill the empty air, and I'm waiting on the echoes of 1,000 little prayers. There's no comfort in a song, but the walls will sing along. Oh. 1,000,000 miles is far too far away. One million miles is far too far today.
The coffee's ready if you'll have some, and breakfast should be finished soon. Paper called for sun tomorrow. It looks like rain the whole day through. Both defeated. The mailman left another bill. The hallway closet's overflowing with all those shoes too big to fill. What's that song you used to sing me? What's that dance we used to do? Is this house quiet or just empty? Do you like you mean it. And I don't mean it like I say. Morning left us both defeated, and it's just been one of those days. So I'll have dinner on the table, and you can help me pour the wine. Paper called for sun tomorrow.